Yeah. This camera module really is built to last, and our engineers thought of everything. So if, imagine the scenario, you're taking selfie and your phone accidentally drops, camera will slide right back automatically, detecting the fall. I think it's very nifty too, yeah. But it's not only durable and smart, but it also is able to produce some great photos thanks to the 16-megapixel sensor. I would say over the years we've received so many great photos from you guys. Our community sent us photos from over 140 countries. I think they are really marvelous. But still, very often when I speak with you guys, I hear that, you know, Shimon, my OnePlus is really exceeding expectations, but when it comes to camera, it's like, okay, it's good, it's not great. So with OnePlus 7 Pro, we decided to change that. We're introducing for the first time ever triple camera setup. So with the super wide-angle lens, and telephoto lens for that zoom, this is a seriously versatile camera setup, this perfect DSLR replacement. And let's jump right into the main camera sensor. Yeah, 48 megapixel, plenty of details, but also what matters a lot for you guys is low light. So we've increased surface area of the sensor to 0.5 inch, so by 29%, and effective pixel size has been increased by 72%, so that the sensor can get way more light than on, let's say, OnePlus 6T. Also, we have completely changed our lens. Right now, we have added one more element to the lens for a 7P lens setup, and by that, we've been able to achieve aperture of focal 1.6. You guys know your stuff. It's additional 15% of light into the sensor. And then we have not forgotten about optical image stabilization, of course. It's really important when it comes to those low light photos where you need more time to get more light into the sensor. And it's also obviously great for those ultra smooth videos. These are some of the photos we have shot on OnePlus 7 Pro. Take a look at the details, color reproduction, shades and shadows, HDR, I think really good job. But that all would not be possible without, and then we have another lens. Now we have, for the first time ever, introducing a wide-angle lens with OnePlus phone. It has PDAF focusing method for the fastest focusing, and primarily it expands field of view to 117 degrees. And then, anyone here using OnePlus 5? Yeah, we still have some. And OnePlus 5 was the only OnePlus phone with a telephoto lens. And I heard from many of our users of later flagships that they are missing on this experience. So we are bringing telephoto lens to OnePlus flagship phones. And this one is even better than the one on OnePlus 5. It has 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization. So, with this setup of wide angle, normal, and telephoto lens, we have a really seriously versatile camera that is like a camera bag, but can fit into your pocket. But this all wouldn't be possible without proper focusing. So we have changed our focusing method to three-prone focusing. So our camera will detect the scenario and automatically switch between PDAF, CAF, and laser autofocus. But this is, of course, all just a TED talk. So I think we should hear from a credible source, from a person that has spent years outdoors photographing nature. I would like to invite on stage Andy Budd.